Hi folks, it's going to be a senior moment. I don't know whether it's going to be one moment or two, but as you can see, I've got a new boat. This is a pontoon boat. I have a little trouble getting in and out of the kayaks, and I really like kayaking, but this is a double pontoon boat, you'll see. And what we're going to do, it's a 9-foot high capacity pontoon boat with a padded seat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpack it and see if I can't put it all together on camera so that everybody can get a good idea of what it is. And so I've already made a cut down the top. This is just a what's going to happen now is I'm going to take this lid off, hopefully.
Here, Dad, let me give you
And these things are kind of in, but
when I get to the other end, I think it'll
take
lift off.
this lid off.
Might have to push those handles out like you did on these. There we go.
Now just set it down and then you can get a look at it.
Oh yeah.
You can get a picture of what it is.
Let me see if that's on camera. No, it was. Yeah.
Can
Okay.
you get a good picture of it?
Yeah.
I can put it back up here. If
No,
you,
it's okay. That's good. We get an idea.
okay.
All right.
That
Okay.
just gives you an idea of what it is when I get her done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the pieces out, set them on a table over here. And I'm not sure what tools I'm going to need to put it together. So if I get to the point where I know the tools I need, then we'll probably shut the camera off. I'll get the tool pack.
Slide that piece out of there.
I don't know which parts are which of here, but we'll find out as we get into it. I guess we'll find out.
Instructions. What
There's the instructions, classic instructions. So I'll keep that to one side.
If it's absolutely necessary.
Yeah, if it's absolutely necessary, I'll refer to the instructions. And it looks like there's a lot of parts in here. So as we get further down into them, it looks like a rack of some kind.
All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut it off here. We're going to unload the rest of the box, and then we'll come back and we'll show you all the pieces laid out.
Okay. Hey, all right, here we are. We got all the parts out. Check the parts, make sure they were all there. They appear to be all there. It says the first thing we need to do is to inflate the pontoons, but we decided to save that. We got all the parts out. We got everything that goes together, so you can see. Can you have you zoomed in on this, son?
I'll do it right now.
Yeah, zoom in on this so they can see what this is all about.
Yeah, got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, there's the oars, although we've got them reversed. And there's the pontoons, the bracket, the seat, and all of this stuff. Now, looking back down here, this is all of the complete assembly. We've got the back bracket, we've got the carrying tray, and that fits into these tubes. And we got the seat, the padded seat, and because of the wing nuts, the seat is adjustable. so I can adjust the seat forward and back. We've got the clevis hooks. As we put these tubes inside of each other, those clevis hooks will hold it together. There's the oar locks. They have a cotter pin. They fit wherever I want them in these Teflon tubes. These are the foot pedals that they slide in there. They'll hook up with a clevis hook. And the frame for the seat. That's about it. This is really
pretty simple, actually.
Really a simple design. Takes a little while to figure out how to put it together, but it's only been like 20 minutes and we got all the parts out. We checked them all to be sure they were there. Then we set it so that we'd be sure to get the rights and the lefts. You can see on here, got a right and a left, and we set them up here to make sure that was done. So what we're going to do now is we're going to shut the video off for a minute. And then we're going to inflate these pontoons. Then we're going to assemble this whole thing. And then we'll come back and show you what the senior moment pontoon boat is. We'll show you that when we're done. Okay, guys, this is Dave's senior moment. We got it together. I don't have the pontoons actually attached to the frame, but I'll do that when I put it in the pickup, get ready to head down on the lake. But the oar locks are on, so I've got plenty of oars to row this thing. I've got a little place here in the back. I think what I'll do is I'll hook up a Lazy Susan swivel on this seat so that I can swivel around and reach a trolling motor. I'm gonna put a little electric trolling motor back here. Then I'll have the battery in this bracket. So if I put a little swivel, a 6-inch Lazy Susan under here, I'll be able to swivel around. So that's my pontoon boat, and next week I'll have it in the water. And I wouldn't be surprised what we might make a video showing it in the water. And I've got a fishing net that I'll keep with me here. I've got a rod holder that goes somewhere. I'm not sure quite where it goes. Hand me the rod holder there, son.
Looks like it's got a Velcro thing to hold. Must go like that somewhere.
This is a rod holder. I'm just not sure where it goes. Probably over here.
Yeah.
From the looks of it. Would have to be down where it doesn't interfere with the oars. So by taking this clevis off, slipping it down over there, I think that's where it's going to go. One way or the other, probably on my left. So, that's my senior moment for today. And
sorry, guys.
Didn't take all that long to put it together. I think I paid like $365 for it, something like that.
Bought it on Amazon?
Huh?
Amazon?
I bought it on Amazon.
Yeah.
And one of the reviews on it, one of the things that caused me to buy it, one of the reviews on it, the guy said he has it for 12 years. And in all those 12 years, he'd taken it down some rapids, had it on places where it scraped a little bit. It's only had one leak. He said it still has that leak, but it's so slow it doesn't bother him any. So he said he just reinflates it when he takes it out, and it's good until he takes it out again. So
a lot of storage in there.
Reasons I bought it.
A lot of storage in there. You got triple pockets on both sides.
There's all kinds of pockets and
yeah,
storage
for
gear,
fishing gear or whatever. Yeah,
easy to reach.
Yeah,
and I got pockets back here. Once I get a swivel on this seat that I can turn around, I don't see any way I could ever tip this thing over. If I were on some rapids, maybe, but I can't see where, like in a kayak, can get it on steady. But I I can't see where I'd ever tip this thing over, so.
Well, one thing I like about it from a fishing standpoint, one thing I don't like about my kayak is I set down pretty low, not at water level, but a lot lower than that. I mean, a lot lower than that. And with it high like that, the water is so clear over at Lake Mojave, you can sight fish. You could see fish, whereas I'm right down at water level. I can't really see the fish until I get higher. So I really like it for that aspect as well.
What I think I'll do is I think I'll put a box on here for a live well, and maybe get a little electric pump that'll pump water up into it and then back into the lake. So if I want to keep the fish, I can put them in a live well.
Yeah.
And there's plenty of room here for it. If I have to sacrifice part of a pocket here, I will. But so far, for less than $400, I'm a happy camper.
Yeah. Yeah, we got to get that thing on the water. All right.
So I'm going to get this thing in out of the sun, and we'll talk at you on the next one.